Hello, I'm in a 2012 GMC Acadia, and today I'm going to show you how to jump start your vehicle. So I'll first open the hood, and then on the passenger side you should see these terminals. This is your negative, your neutral terminal. This will be your positive terminal, and these leads run to the battery inside the car. So from here you gotta make sure these are all cleaned up, and then with your jump box or jumper cables, with the metal clamps, you want the metal clamp directly to your positive here for as much metal as you can get contact with. Your negative terminal, you want your negative terminal with as much connection as you can. And if you're using the jumper cables, make sure the other vehicle involved is turned on and running. And you've got your positive leading to the positive terminal of the other car, and your negative terminal directly to the negative terminal in the other vehicle's battery. Just because if you get them crossed by mistake, even a few seconds of that, it could cause damage to your computer systems, fuses, electronics, things like that. That said, once you've had these connected and running for a bit, like 3, 4, 5 minutes, hopefully that's enough to get you juice started. Now, if you've been trying for quite a while and still not having any success, then you might need to replace the battery, which these batteries you'll find inside the vehicle. Underneath all this floor matting. So you pull this up, and then underneath here is where your battery is located. So you might need to search another tutorial on how to replace that battery if needed. It's not too complicated. It just takes a couple tools to get to it, some longer extension tools to loosen all the connections. But it's just right in there, and you could even just pull this cover up and make sure the terminals are cleaned up and tightened properly, because that could cause issues too. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.